students, once again welcome back to computer class. So in our last class we studied about 5 generations of computer in detail, and at last we saw an overview of this 5 generations of computer inside a table. That is, we saw what are the technologies used in each generation, then the input output devices used, what are the characteristics of each generation, and examples. Hope all of you have understood what I have taught you, and if you are having any doubt you can contact me in my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, so that was about 5 generations of computer. And today we will be studying about types of computers. Okay, that is, computers, they are being divided into various categories. They are microcomputers, mini computers, mainframe computers, supercomputers, mobile computers, game consoles, and embedded computers. Okay, computer, they are divided into various categories. They are microcomputers, mini computers, mainframe computers, supercomputers, mobile computers, game consoles, and embedded computers. Okay, so this is how computer is being divided. So today we will be studying in detail about this different types of computers. First we will study about microcomputers. First point is, they are computers that work on single microprocessor. What do you mean by microprocessor? We studied in our last class about microprocessor. That is, microprocessor is a computer processor which is present inside the computer. That is, they are present inside the motherboard, and they consist of thousands or millions of integrated circuits. That is, in 4th generation computers, they consist of thousands of integrated circuits, and in 5th generation computer, they consist of 10 million integrated circuits. Okay, so microprocessor means they are computer processors that are present inside the motherboard, and they consist of thousands or millions of integrated circuits. And inside these microcomputers, they consist of only a single microprocessor. Okay. Second point is, they are used by single person at a time. So only one person can use this computer at a time. Okay. So microcomputers means they consist of only a single microprocessor, and only one person can use this computer at a time. And examples of microcomputers are desktop or personal computers which are used in schools, offices, homes. They are microcomputers. That is the computer that we use in our schools, offices, homes. They can be either a desktop or they can be a laptop. They are examples of microcomputers. And some of the companies which manufacture this microcomputers, they are Dell, Apple, HP, and IBM. Okay, these are the companies that make or produce this microcomputers. They are Dell, Apple, HP, and IBM. So this is about microcomputers. That is, microcomputers, they consist of only a single microprocessor. Only one person can use this computer at a time, and examples are desktop or personal computers. And some of the companies that manufacture this computers, they are Dell, Apple, HP, and IBM. Okay. The second type of computer is mini computers. First point is, they have more processing power than the microcomputers. That is, their processing speed or their processing capacity is larger than the microcomputers. Second point is, they have got more memory. And since they have got more memory, they can store more data than the microcomputers. And last point is, a large number of input and output devices can be attached to this computer. So, as compared to microcomputers, mini computers, they have got more processing power. That is, they can process more data at a time, and they have got more memory. Since they have got more memory, they can store large amount of data at a time. Okay, they can store more data than microcomputers, and a large number of input and output devices can be attached to this computers. And examples of mini computers are CDC 1700, HP 3000. Okay, examples of mini computers, they are CDC 1700 and HP 3000. So this is about mini computers. Mini computers, they have got more processing power, more memory, more storage capacity than the microcomputers. The third type of computer is mainframe computers. First point is, they are very large and expensive. What you see in this picture, it is a mainframe computer. And you can see that they are large in size. Second point is, they have large memory and can store more data than mini computers. So, as compared to the micro and mini computers, mainframe computers, they have got the largest memory. And since they have got largest memory, they can store more amount of data as compared to the micro and mini computers. Okay. And third point is, more than 100 users can be connected through a mainframe computer. In micro and mini computers, only a single user can use the computer at a time. But here in mainframe computers, hundreds of users can use this computer at a time. Okay. And last point is, they can carry out number of tasks for many people at the same time. So this hundreds of users, they can carry out or they can do different type of task at the same time. Okay. And example for mainframe computer is IBM Z series. So mainframe computers, they are very large and expensive. As compared to micro and mini computers, they have got large memory. And since they have got large memory, they can store more amount of data. And in this type of computers, hundreds of users can be connected at a time. And this hundreds of users, they can carry out different tasks at the same time. Example for mainframe computer is IBM Z series. So this is about mainframe computers. The next type of computer, they are supercomputers. From the name itself, we can understand that they are the fastest computer. They are more faster and powerful than all other computers that we have studied. This is because they have got more processing speed and memory capacity. That is, as compared to all other computers that we have studied till now, their supercomputers, they have got more speed and memory capacity. And they can execute trillions of instructions per second. As they can execute trillions of instructions per second, this type of computers, they are being used for complex activities. That is, they are being used for scientific research. They can be used for weather forecasting. They can be used for aircraft designing. So, supercomputers, they are being used for doing complex activities. And examples of supercomputers are Cray 1, IBM's Blue. Okay. So supercomputers, they are the fastest and more powerful computer. They have got more speed and memory capacity. They are being used for complex activities like scientific research, weather forecasting and aircraft designing. So this is about supercomputers. The next type of computers, they are mobile computers. All are familiar with this device, mobile. That is, in our day-to-day life, we have been using mobiles. So these mobile computers, they are the smallest computers. And we can take them from one place to another. That is, wherever we are moving on, we can take this device. And since we can take this device to wherever we are moving on, these devices, they are user-friendly, lightweight and they are very convenient devices. Okay. These mobile computers, they are handheld devices. That is, we can catch them in our hand. They are in the size of our hand. And we can move them from one place to another. That is, wherever we are going, we can take this device. That is why it is said to be more lightweight, convenient and user-friendly. That is, we cannot take our lap or the microcomputer, mini computers or mainframe computers that we have studied. We cannot take them to anywhere. They are being placed at one place. We cannot move them from that place to another place. But these mobile computers, they are the smallest computers. They can be moved from one place to another. Okay. And example for mobile computer, first one is netbook. It is a low power notebook computer that is smaller than a laptop. Example is SUC PC. Netbook, it is a notebook computer. Okay. And example is SUC PC. Next one is e-book reader. It is also a small handheld device that can be moved from one place to another. And this is being used for reading e-books and other digital media. That is, this device, it is mainly used for reading purpose. Example is Paperwhite Kindle. The next example for a mobile computer is tablet. It is a portable computer that uses a touch screen and come without a mouse and keyboard. All of you are familiar with a tablet. You might have used it for watching a movie or for hearing a music or for different purposes. And it has got a touch screen and it doesn't have a mouse or keyboard like the normal computer. What do you mean by the word portable? Portable means you can take it from one place to another. And example for tablets are Apple's iPad and Microsoft Surface. And next one is PMP, Portable Media Player. Full form of PMP is Portable Media Player. It is a device that in which we can store our videos, images, music, etc. Okay. So PMP full form is Portable Media Player. The next type of computer, they are game consoles. From the name itself, we can understand that this device, they are being used for playing games. Okay, they are being used for playing computer games. And we can play games inside a computer, these computers, by using a remote controller. There are buttons inside this remote controller, and we can, by using these buttons, we can play game inside the computer. Examples are Microsoft Xbox and Sony PlayStation. So game consoles means it is a device that is being used for playing games. And we play games inside this by using a remote controller. There are buttons inside this remote controller. By using that buttons, we play games. Examples are Microsoft Xbox and Sony PlayStation. The last type of computer are embedded computers. What do you mean by an embedded computer? A computer that is integrated into another device is known as embedded computer. It performs a special function of that device. So, if you are joining together a computer with any other device, then such type of computers, they are known as embedded computers. And that computer will perform the function of that device. Okay, so embedded computers means joining or combining together of a computer with any other device. Such type of computers, they are known as embedded computers. And that computer will perform the function of that device. Okay, and another name for embedded computer is microcontroller. Another name for embedded computer is microcontroller. And such type of embedded computers, they are being used in modern TV sets, motor vehicles, telephones, digital cameras, washing machine, etc. That is, this type of computers, they can be joined together with the electronic devices that we are being using in our home. Such, for example, our TV, motor vehicles, telephones, washing machine. These are devices that we use in our house, in our day-to-day life. And embedded computers can be combined with such type of devices. Okay. So once again, embedded computer means a computer that has been combined or joined with any other device. Such type of computers, they are known as embedded computers. And this computer will perform the function of that device. Another name for embedded computer is microcontroller. And embedded computers, they can be combined with our TV sets, motor vehicles, telephones, cameras, washing machine, etc. So this is about embedded computers. So with this we come to the end of types of computers. So what are the type of computers that we studied? First one was microcomputer, then mini computers, then mainframe computers, supercomputers, mobile computers, game console, and last one was embedded computers. These are the type of computers. And with this we come to the end of today's section. Thank you.